Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with GoCardless Payment Collection. Review my usage experience. GoCardless Payment Collection Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to review and manage their recurring payments processed through GoCardless. It's aimed at businesses using GoCardless for subscription billing, memberships, or other recurring revenue streams, providing tools to analyze payment success rates, identify issues, and potentially improve payment collection processes. Key features likely include reporting dashboards, payment status tracking, and possibly tools for managing failed payments. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. GoCardless itself is known for its focus on ease of use and automated payment processing. While specific pricing for the review tool isn't readily available on their main site, I expect it to be integrated into their overall pricing structure, likely based on transaction volume. It's positioned as a way to optimize existing GoCardless accounts, rather than a standalone service. Availability is dependent on being an existing GoCardless customer. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using GoCardless Payment Collection. Review my usage experience. Setting up the review access was straightforward. It was simply a matter of logging into my existing GoCardless account and navigating to the report section. The interface was intuitive enough, though it took a little while to grasp the nuances of the different reporting options. I was particularly interested in the Failed Payments report, which gave a detailed breakdown of reasons for payment failures, such as insufficient funds or card expiry. This helped me identify patterns and proactively address potential issues. The data presented was clear and easily exportable to spreadsheets. The speed was generally excellent, reports generated quickly, even with a large dataset. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the reporting was. One minor drawback was the lack of customizable dashboards. I would have liked to be able to pin specific reports for easier access. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GoCardless Payment Collection Review. It's a valuable tool for improving payment collection efficiency. That's my overview of GoCardless Payment Collection. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.